Hey, what's up you guys? OlympS here, and I'm bringing you guys a brand new Reach tutorial. This tutorial is something I call prop smearing, but the thing is that I'm pretty sure other forgers have found this out already, but no one's ever put a tutorial up on it yet. And it's a very useful technique that I've been using for quite some time, and I decided to go ahead and share it with you guys. So, prop smearing can be used for a multitude of things. It's very convenient. What it is that you have two props next to each other, or they don't have to be really close to each other, they have to be at least like within distance to where you can touch this prop and touch this prop at the exact same time. So the first one is I'm gonna be showing you guys is okay. Notice how this one has a place at start and it's false, and this one says place at start and it says true. Everything else is set up the exact same way. I mean, you can have this on phase or anything. I was just having it on normal because I like normal better. But okay, so prop smearing is pretty much you're smearing whatever this prop has on this guy onto this one, without having to go, okay, so false, and you have to go to the next one and go false, and then keep moving and go false, 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 false. Alright? But all you have to do for prop smearing is do this. Click, and look, magically, wait, what the hell? Oh, my bad. This was working earlier. There we go. Alright, so anyway, notice how this one's on false too now. What you have to do is, keep changing it back to true to prove to you guys. I just had a couple bad runs there. For some reason it doesn't work completely all the time. But what you're doing is that you're pressing X as you're floating, and you let go of. You don't keep pushing. Don't keep pushing when you're doing this. You just let go while you you're gonna while you're gazing over the prop. Press X and let go of the pushing button, whatever button you're using to push up or down, left or right. And make sure the prop's close enough, and as you press X towards the end of the prop, make sure your mouse ends up, your guy ends up touching this prop, so it always smears over. Hence the name smearing props. So you're able to smear true to false. And another thing you're able to smear is this one is 20 seconds. So let's say if I want this prop to spawn in 20 seconds. I already have it set at 20 seconds, and this one's going to be spawned at 20 seconds too. Instead of having to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then moving on to the next prop, which will take quite a bit of time, it's just much easier to prop smear it over. Just all of a sudden this one's magically at 20. So, I mean, it could be at any multitude of numbers. You can do it both ways. And one neat little trick I've learned is that if it's on the same screen, you can change it. So if it's on fixed and you want this one to have a radius of 2.0 and everything, just go. And magically this one has the exact same settings as this one did. You're able to do this with color. So now that one's magically red. You're able to do this with game type labels. Whoops, my bad. There we go. Well, I didn't show you guys, but that was on no label. Now it's back on team only. And then you're able to do this. Well, I accidentally did it there. With spawn sequences, that was on 0 previously, just to prove it. And you're able to do it with anything on, like I said, on the second screen we're allowed to do it. So if you want this one to have a game, I want both of these props to have a team only label, symmetric, game specific, true. Place at start false, a spawn sequence of 7, and I want this one to be the exact same, but I don't have to go through all the trouble. Smear it, and then all of a sudden everything's back together. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to smear. I'm going to be pretty much smearing this whole entire gate to spawn false and in 20 seconds. No, not in 20. Let's do some really awkward number. Let's go with 70, because that would be a nightmare to have to go through each and every single one of these to spawn at 70 seconds. So, once again, very easy. But the problem is that in order to have it spawn, you have to go in advance and go to false as well. So you're going to have to do 2 times. So once again, just make sure it's at... No, this didn't work. But just... It's kind of hard to get just right with these guys, because... shit, I think I prop smeared it backwards. But you guys get the general saying of what I mean by prop smearing. Prop smearing's it's much easier if you just have the props next to each other. Let's see. Did I get it that time? No, I didn't. It's much easier with larger props. There we go. I got it that time. So it's much easier to do it this way. But so that one should be on 70 now. But you guys get the general gist of what I'm saying here. Is that prop smearing can be very helpful if you're just trying to smear things onto each other. I actually smeared that one backward with the red color. But that's just the basic thing I'm talking about here. I'm not going to do this whole gate because I don't feel like doing that. But it's very convenient, very useful, and it's very helpful to just go through all this stuff. Like, if I really wanted to do this, I could prop smear all these to 70 seconds, or I could just go delete all and not deal with it. But the obvious fact is that, you know, prop smearing can be very helpful, and no forger's ever really done a tutorial on how to do prop smearing. I mean, I learned it myself on accident. So, you know, so GameSpot true, team only. You know what? I want this to be symmetric. Spawn sequence of 1. There we go. Wait, no, didn't work. What the hell? Oh, whoops. Like I said, make sure you let go of the mouse or else it might actually push the numbers backwards. But that's pretty much it with prop smearing. Oh, by the way, you guys, I am out of Xbox Live Gold at the current moment. I won't have enough money to get any Xbox Live Gold for about a week or so, maybe 2 weeks. Depends if I have to pay my bills or not next week. But so you guys aren't going to see me online very much unless someone's kind enough to donate their 3-month or like a week or something like that of gold to me. That'd be very helpful. But I mean, I'm not begging or anything, you guys. So this is OldMPS signing out. I hope this tutorial helped you guys out a little bit, and I'll see you guys later.